Hello guys, this is Divij and welcome back to the channel. So I hope you guys are well, and today I have come up with a very interesting and the latest unboxing, the all new OnePlus 8. So guys, before starting the video I would request you to please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start with the unboxing. As you can see, the box is of red color and has a matte feeling to it, which is really nice and it feels really premium too. OnePlus 8 is written on the left and right side of the box. At the back of the box we can see some details. As you can see, this is the glacial green version with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. It is powered by the Snapdragon 865 processor, which is a really powerful processor and the latest one too. The phone comes with Dolby Atmos sound support. So now guys, let's open the box. So guys, now I am opening the box. And we get the phone on the top wrapped in this plastic. Let me take out the phone and see other box contents. Below this white panel, we get the transparent TPU case, which is of really good quality, and OnePlus tagline "Never Settle" is written on it, which really looks attractive. We get this red USB Type-C charging cable. The phone supports warp charging, which is really fast, and we get this adapter. It has warp charging branding. Coming on to this, we get a lot of paperwork inside. Let me take it out. So guys, this is the paperwork we get in the box. As you can see, there is a lot of paperwork, including the invitation letter, safety information, quick start guide, the OnePlus stickers, the red cable club card, and the SAR value card. We also get this SIM card ejection tool. As you can see, on the invitation letter, when I tear this part, we get an invitation and a thanking message. As you can see, OnePlus is telling about its past and its achievements. Now let's come to the main thing, that is the beautiful phone. Let me take out this plastic wrap. So guys, as you can see, this is the beautiful phone and this is the glacial green color. And wow, it looks just gorgeous. It is such a beautiful color and changes its color from blue to green and some other shades. The phone has an edge screen, as you can see, which is a really premium touch. So now let's do the physical overview of the phone. So on the bottom we get the SIM card, dual SIM card slot, the microphone, the Type-C port and the speaker. The phone is powered by stereo speakers from Dolby Atmos. On the left side of the phone we get the volume rockers and the antenna bands. On the right side we get the power button and the alert slider, which is really smooth. On the top we get the cancellation mic and the antenna bands. On the front there is a 16 megapixel punch hole camera. The phone has a 90Hz smooth display. On the back we get a triple camera setup, which includes a 48 megapixel camera, a 16 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel camera. Guys, I am really in love with this color. It is so gorgeous. So now guys, let me set up the phone and I'll get back to you. So guys, now I have set up the phone and the setup process was really easy and the phone is just amazing. Its 90Hz display is really smooth and very user friendly. It comes with OnePlus Android OS, that is the Oxygen OS. I have set up the in-display fingerprint scanner of the phone and now let's check it out. It's really fast, as you can see. Now guys, talking about the camera, it comes with 3 modes. The first one is the 0.6x wide view mode. This is the 1x mode and this is the 2x zoom mode. The punch hole camera also really looks amazing. So now guys, I have applied the TPU soft case which came in the box and it really looks good. So guys, that's it for the review of the OnePlus 8. I got this phone for 45,000 rupees from a phone dealership near my house. And this phone is a really good deal for that price. So guys, that's it for this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon and never miss a video from my channel. Thank you and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.